Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. In the midst of Distracted Driving Awareness Month, GM Safety Engineer Dan Glaser says so many tragedies on the road today could be prevented. Among his suggestions, set your navigation, make calls, and adjust your settings before driving.
Just preparing before the drive, and then the drive will be a lot more relaxing and safe. And also, I suggest people learn how to use voice in their car, because more and more you're able to control the vehicle by just talking to it, keeping your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. And all of these things are going to reduce the need to look away for long periods of time.
He points out sending or reading a text takes your eyes off the road for an average of 5 seconds, or more than the length of a football field at 55 miles an hour. The statistics resulting from that today are frightening. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. The Haven 10,000 lantern is a smartly designed, beautiful solar light that you will love indoors or out. It is waterproof with up to 1,200 lumens of brightness. That's a lot of light. And the base becomes a flashlight at the push of a button. The power comes from a built-in lithium-ion battery recharged by the sun. The solar panel is built in, or USB-C. The battery can even recharge your phone. Did we mention how durable it is? How it folds down and can run for up to 120 hours on a charge? But the real power of the Haven Lantern comes from the people behind it and their mission to provide this quality lighting to those in the world who need it most, including in disaster emergencies. Your purchase helps to fund those efforts, and if you use the code Techstination20, you'll get it at a 20% discount. That's Techstination20 at havenlantern.com. Create your haven.